How to equip pin in Brawl Stars. In this video, I will show you how you can equip and use pins in your Brawl Stars. So for that, just open your Brawl Stars on your mobile or your desktop and click on character. When you click on character, again click on this Brawl. When you click on Brawl, you can see there are three options at the bottom. You can see just click on this middle option. So when you click on this, now you can see there are many pins that you can equip and use in your game. So in order to equip any pin, I just buy any pin to click on any pin. When you click on it, if you have points, coins or gem, then you can buy these pin and you can use them. There are some players pin at the top. You can see at the top right side. You can also use them in your battlefield. It's free. So this is the way. If you have points, then you can buy this pin and can use them.